Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni.
Well, after Sitelo Shozi came out and said Andile Mpisane, who's now married to Tamia, said while they were in a relationship, Andile abused her emotionally and physically. Mamkhize denied the allegations and released a long statement denying the rumors. Andile defended himself and said Sitelo also abused him and demanded DNA test to be done because he didn't believe that the babies he has with Sitelo are his, and said Sitelo was unfaithful during their relationship. Baby Coco turns 1 today, and Sitelo blessed her followers by showing off baby Coco's face and wished her a happy birthday. Andile Mpisane then decided to wish baby Coco a happy birthday on his Instagram page, and he posted a video of him carrying baby Coco and captioned, "Happy birthday Coco, my beautiful daughter." Even Mamkhize followed her son's steps and took it to her Instagram page and posted the same video and captioned, "Baby Coco to baby Coco, may God watch over you in every step of our life. My wish is for you to live life with no limits and to grow up to be healthy, strong and proud Zulu princess. Know that you will always be loved by your family. Happy first birthday Coco. Blessed to be Glammy to my girls." So it is true, Andile was wrong. These baby girls are his children. They just confirmed it. Even the alleged abuse that took place between Sitelo and Andile, Mamkhize might be aware of it, and she's just protecting her son, Andile. She's wrong for doing that though. Are they hypocrites for doing this to Sitelo? Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.